In an exclusive interview to group editor Politics Navika Kumar, Kangana Ranaut has lashed out at the Aghadi leaders for their unparliamentary attack on her and demanded an apology from the Thakres. Times Now in fact confronted several top Aghadi leaders and even Sena MP Sanjay Raut over what Kangana had to say. But all the senior leaders of the party ducked and dodged. Times Now's questions. Let's in fact now go across to actor Mukesh Khanna joining us on the broadcast. Good afternoon to you, sir. The entire industry is divided at this point in time. Some backing Kangana Ranaut, some questioning her. How do you say this? How do you, see at this entire incident unfolding?
See, I will not be saying which side I am. I am been saying this for last 1 month that there's a the drug cartel should be exposed. And the thing has now reached to a proportion where the people are now reacting to कि भाई किसी ने कह दिया कि पूरी industry drugs लेती है. Wrong statement. But if somebody says that there are good people in the industry, bad people in the industry, my saying is that then let it be checked. Let it be उसके आप वो करिए कि check कीजिए इस पे आप. आपकी कौन अच्छा है और कौन बुरा है? What is wrong in it? What is wrong in having an investigation being done? So I will be talking about that whatever is happening in the industry, some people are favoring that we are not that bad. I say, okay, we are not that bad, but there are bad people there. And that investigation which never happened for so many years, this is not for the first time this racket of the drugs name has come. It comes and goes away. There are people who protect. There are people who are protected. How can you take drugs? How can you take drugs? You may have drinks, it's okay. But keeping a drug, having a drug, celebrating with the drugs, having a party with drugs is offense.
Right. So you're saying you're not going to side with any camp here, but you are going to demand an investigation into the drug cartel. But when when you question the dark side of Bollywood, or when you demand an investigation in the drug nexus, people like Jaya Bachchan say, "आप जिस थाली में खा रहे हैं, उसी में छेद कर रहे हैं."
हाँ, if you want me to answer that, I will say that कि यहाँ पर we are not talking about thali, but we are talking about what is being served in that thali. That thali is there, and you are there because of that thali. It's not there because you are there, and you cannot say that just because you are eating food from industry, you should not criticize industry. This is like saying to Bhishma Pitama and Dronacharya, you have been, you are with Kauro because you are eating their food. That was there. And that was the vivashta of Bhishma Pitama and Pandav Dronacharya to fight with the Kauro. But if the industry people start saying कि आपने यहीं से कमाया है, यहीं से सब कुछ किया है, तो you don't talk anything against industry. Why? Everybody has right to work in industry. And if some people say that we have served, that means they are owning the industry. Nobody owns the industry. Industry किसी के बाप की नहीं है. Industry सालों से चली आ रही है. There are now, we can say that आजकल nepotism बढ़ गया है, groupism बढ़ गया है. So if anybody feels uncomfortable of this investigation to be done for drugs, and he says कि if a person like Ravi Kishan says that drugs चलती है और आपको somebody says कि जिस थाली में खाते हो उस छेद है, it's ridiculous to say. You say that whether he is right or wrong, that's all. But don't, you have not given us the food. Neither me, I have not been given food. I have entered this line and I have worked with them. मेरी भी मेहनत लगी है, प्रोड्यूसर की भी मेहनत लगती है, टीम की मेहनत लगती है, फिल्म बनती है, कोई किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है. और अगर ये कहे कि भाई मैं अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में होते हुए गुनाह को मैं अगर नहीं बोलूं, because you see that drug is not a small problem like drinks. ये addiction है. This the whole youth is being getting. You have seen it in Punjab. It's happening. Right. They make film on Punjab. They say Urta Punjab. And what about the Bollywood? If there are drugs happening in Bollywood, why don't these people, so-called people, buddhijeevi people, so-called pseudo intellectuals, talking don't criticize industry? No. You are favoring people who are taking drugs.
As an
I'm
industry
saying.
person, you should be, siding with the investigating agencies. Come out and speak the truth if in case you know about any such nexus. Also, sir, you are an insider. अब ये सवाल कि बॉलीवुड में ड्रग्स चलता है नहीं, ये सच और झूठ से परे हो चुका है. The question is, to what extent is this true? The question is, how deep is the nexus?
You'll have to investigate. You see, why? Tell me one thing, very, very simple thing I'm asking. If you are in UAE, if you are in a UAE, and if you are caught with a small part of cocaine, you will be just put inside the jail. In all the parts of the world, if you are having drugs, you are immediately taken behind the bars. In India, especially, forget about the whole India, talk about the industry who is making films. 300 crore की film बनाते हो, 100 crore की film बनाते हो, 10 crore की film बनाते हो. And you're still having drugs. I'm talking about people who are having drugs. Mind you, I'm not accusing anybody, but I'm talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 20 or 50 people who are taking drugs and still they are moving around making films is a crime. They should be prosecuted. If they are having drugs, they should be put behind bars. They should not be allowed to make films. What kind of films we are coming out with? Well, Vahiyat kind of films are coming. Why? Because our culture has gone bad. Our Bollywood culture, एक ज़माने में जब मैं था, we were there that time today I'm there, but I'm talking about Raj Kapoor is also nepotism. There's a Kapoor Khandan is a nepotism. There's a Filmalaya, Filmistan. Everybody had their groups. But that time there was no this thing that if you are not with our group, you will not get the work. And then agencies, they take the actors into their contracts, they take advantage of their money, they manipulate them. This is not right.
And one other thing that I want your comment on is, as far as this drug racket or drug nexus is concerned, and it's linked to Bollywood is concerned, the NCB is investigating, there are several names that appear, but one thing is common. When these names appear, everybody wants to slam the media, hit back at the media, because they think that there's this entire attempt to malign the image of Bollywood. And why is that so? We're just reporting facts. We're just talking about the names that are appearing during the investigation. What's wrong in, highlighting that?
देखिए, सच्चाई कड़वी लगती है हमेशा. Truth is always bitter. If anybody comes and starts investigating, see, even when the income tax people come and then they charge finding out इसमें क्या tax नहीं भरा था, the person is never happy. So if your media is not trying to find out and talk कि हाँ, there is something, some fire there, their smoke is coming out, the people who have जिसकी वजह से आग लगी है वो डेफिनेटली अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाएगा. They would not like media to. I am telling you, I am congratulating you media people today in this media of social world, in this time of social world. Media is, मैंने तो किसी चैनल को कहा था कि आज पहली बार मुझे मीडिया न्यूज चैनल की सार्थकता नजर आ रही है. अदरवाइज आप लोगों को इश्यू लेते हो छोड़ देते हो. You take one issue, another issue comes, they just leave it. This time, the whole media has joined hands. For last 1.5 to 2 to 3 months, SSR murder के बाद, आप लोग relentlessly पीछे पड़े हुए हो, और बाद में drug का angle has come, and you have suddenly gone into it. NCB has gone into it. Go. I mean, this is the time if you can do it. 20 साल पहले it was not possible. They used to stop them. There was still I'm afraid that there will be some kind of a pressure from top, which is not good for healthy for industry. Industry needs sanitization. Industry needs sanitization on morale.
Cleanup, absolutely. Cleanup is what